In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a FAQ page on your Wix website. Creating a frequently asked questions page is a fantastic way to provide immediate answers to common queries, helping your visitors find information seamlessly and reducing your customer support workload. Whether you're a store owner, a blogger, or a service provider, an FAQ page can greatly enhance the user experience on your site. Let's get started. First, you'll need to be logged into your Wix account. From the Wix dashboard, find the site where you'd like to add the FAQ page. Once you're in the dashboard for your site, head over to the left side of the screen and click on Add Apps. This is a gateway to the Wix app market, where you can find a range of functionalities to enhance your website. Once you click on Add Apps, it's time to navigate to the Wix app market. In the search bar of the app market, type in Wix FAQ. This will bring up the app we need to add this beneficial feature to your website. As you type, you'll see various apps appear, but the one we're focusing on has been designed specifically for creating and managing frequently asked questions. Once you've found the Wix FAQ app in the search results, click on it to view more details. Here, you'll get a brief description of what the app can do, as well as some user reviews and additional screenshots. When you're ready, click the button that says Add to Site. This will integrate the app into your website seamlessly. After the app is added, take a moment to navigate to your site to see how it will look to your visitors. At this stage, you'll be able to see a basic framework of the FAQ page on your site. This is just the beginning, as you'll have the opportunity to customize the appearance and layout to align with your brand's look and feel. Customization is key to making your FAQ page useful and aesthetically pleasing. Depending on your branding and the information you want to share, you can adjust fonts, colors, and even the way questions and answers are displayed. Consider what's most important for your visitors: clarity, readability, and ease of navigation. Remember, the primary goal of an FAQ page is to communicate effectively and efficiently. As you customize, think about the most common questions your audience might have. Categorizing similar questions can keep your FAQ page organized and manageable. You want your users to find answers quickly, which means keeping your page tidy and well-structured is crucial. So, that's it. You've successfully added and customized a FAQ page on your Wix website. With this, you'll be able to provide your visitors with valuable information at their fingertips, ultimately enhancing their experience. Be sure to keep your FAQ page updated regularly as your products or services evolve. Thanks for watching, and happy site building!